Did you know that NASA actually recorded the sound of a black hole, and it is absolutely terrifying? For years, scientists believed space was completely silent because it's a vacuum. But NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory captured sound waves rippling through the gas around a massive black hole. When they amplified this data, the sound came out looking like a ghostly, echoing scream from the deep abyss. It sounds less like a cosmic wonder and more like a gateway to a dark, haunted dimension. Listen closely. Is the universe trying to scare us away? Comment what you think this sound feels like, and subscribe to Space Horizon before you get pulled in.